Welcome to 1/29 Wroxton Street, Midland. Nice modern villa. It's the street. Let's have a look inside. Front master bedroom and the kitchen and living space. Let's have a look in the master bedroom first. So you've got ducted aircon throughout the whole property. The master bedroom's got lovely tiled floors and a long walk-in robe, as well as an ensuite bathroom, the tile shower. And through to the kitchen and main living space. Gas stovetop, space to put a dishwasher. Again, this area is tiled, downlights and ducted evaporative air conditioning. Quick look at the back. Courtyard and entertaining space. The fold-out clothesline down this side, as well as an outdoor tap if you wanted to maintain some gardens. Living space also has a gas bayonet for heating. Have a quick look inside the garage. Double car garage. You've got the solar power inverter over there. Remote control garage. Bedroom number 2 with a built-in robe and ducted AC. And bedroom number 3, very similar to the previous bedroom. View to the backyard. Space for is a queen size bed here and a double built-in robe with ducted aircon. Laundry. Separate toilet and a family bathroom here with a separate bath and shower. Nice modern vanity. Linen storage just in the passage here. The citrus fruit tree at the front. That's 1/29 Wroxton.